Hey there, para folks. Here's how to make the days longer or shorter in Paralives. If you want to change how quickly time passes in Paralives without relying on the fast-forward controls, you can actually adjust the game's time progression settings. This can be useful if you prefer a slower-paced experience or want days to go by much faster. To do this, press the Escape key on your keyboard to open the menu. Then select Storyteller. Once you're on the Storyteller screen, choose Customize for your currently selected Storyteller. Look for the Time section, where you'll find the minutes per real-life second slider. Increasing this value will make in-game time pass faster, allowing days to fly by more quickly. This is useful for challenge runs, faster-paced gameplay, or if you simply don't have much time to play. If you'd rather have longer days and more time to manage your Paris' activities, lower the value on the slider. The lower the setting, the slower in-game time will pass, giving you more time to enjoy each day. Once you've found a setting you like, click Select Storyteller to save and apply the changes. Feel free to adjust the setting whenever you want until you find the pace that feels right for your playstyle. And that's basically all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.